All right, I just wanted to take you through a demonstration of our LeakSmart Total Home Leak Detection Water Protection System. We have three components: a valve controller, a hub, and a sensor. On the underneath side of the sensor are two metal prongs. When they come in contact with moisture, it will communicate a signal to the hub through Zigbee. This does not work through the internet, it's working through Zigbee. The hub will then send a signal to the valve controller, and it will close the valve, shutting off the water from flowing into the remaining parts of your home, minimizing any damage or destruction. This particular snap controller is shown on a wall valve, a handle valve. But we also have an adapter that will fit the gate valve, the tire-shaped valve that will rotate 360 degrees. So what it does is minimizes the destruction in your home once a leak is detected. We also, I get it right side up, we have an app that you can control your system 24/7 anywhere in the world. The other thing is integrations. Our system integrates with Control4. It integrates with Google Nest, Google Home, Google Assistant, and also Amazon Alexa. So it will work off voice commands as well. The last thing I'll share with you is last year we were awarded the Automation Device of the Year in 2019 from CES. So LeakSmart is receiving much recognition for our technology.
Thank you for joining us here in Denver at the CEDIA Expo to check out all the latest smart home technology. You can find more information about the company we visited and their products in the information box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appbyhome.com.
Thank you.
Thank you.